Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure mobile data is enabled and your SIM has an active data plan. Once done, go into Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Open Access Point Names. This is where you create or edit APNs. You should already have the carrier APN details, name, APN, username, password, and MCC/MNC, because accurate values are critical. Now, tap the plus sign or New APN to begin entering those values immediately, so you don't waste time. Now you enter the detailed values. Type the name and APN exactly as provided because small differences prevent connection. Next, set MCC and MNC from your SIM. These identify the network. Choose authentication type, PAP or CHAP, per carrier notes, and define APN type such as default, SUPL, MMS to enable correct services. Once fields are complete, save the APN profile and make sure you tap it to select as active. This links the configuration to your modem, so data sessions use the new settings. To finalize, reboot your device so the modem applies the new APN. Once it restarts, test mobile data by loading a web page or streaming. Make sure MMS works if you changed that setting. On dual SIM phones, confirm the correct SIM is set for mobile data. If you see no connection, one key troubleshooting tip: double-check every APN field for typos, then reset network settings or re-enter the carrier-supplied values. Also, confirm your carrier account and data plan are active before calling support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.